Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I will be showing you how to link an image on your website in Webflow. So yeah guys, make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and that you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. The first thing you want to do guys is go ahead and open up the official webflow.com website right here and log into your account. After logging into your account guys, you'll be greeted by this main page right here where you can see all of the options that you can access in Webflow. As you can see right here, I can see all of the websites that I have created, and here I even have the button to go ahead and create a new website if I want. But for today's video guys, I'm going to go ahead and be using this website right here I already created called YouTube Tutorials. I'm going to go ahead and open up the website by clicking on right here, clicking on Open Designer, and now this will open up the website in the page. So, as you can see at the left and right side of the screen, we have the options to edit the website. The left side of the screen, we have the option to go ahead and add new elements and components to our website. We even have our site settings. And the right side of the screen, we have the option to go ahead and edit and style those elements that we add to our website. We even have our element settings and so on. So guys, let's go ahead and see how to link an image. On this page, as you can see right down, I have added a picture of a banana right here. Let's say that I want to put a link that when somebody clicks on the picture, they will be taken to another link. How do I do that guys? Well, it's very easy. The first thing we want to do is go ahead and click the plus button right here in the upper left corner called Add Elements. Now we can go ahead and select the element that we want to add. We want to go ahead and find the basic option right here, another basic, find the option called Link Block. Go ahead guys and click on link block, and now this will add a block link to our website that we can put wherever we want. So we can go ahead and select where the link block leads us to. We can select the URL right here or the page right here, and after we are satisfied guys and we have made where we want it to be transferred, we can go ahead and move it to the picture. So we're going to go ahead and select the position to be relative, and now we're going to move it in the page wherever we want to. As you can see, we can move it right here. And now let's go ahead and move it to the right side. As you can see, after we put it behind the image, you can see that now whenever somebody clicks on the image, they will also be taken to the link. So yeah guys, basically that's how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. So yeah guys, thanks for watching, take care and bye.